All right, here's our 125 amp panel. Now I'm gonna connect the feeds. These feeds, they had to go up a size. This is 4/0 aluminum. And I think they've had 2/0 in here. Anyway, they went up a size bigger, so we had to get these lug kits that make these lugs up a size for 4/0. I'm gonna put them here, here, and here. This one will be left alone. Here's our square D lug kit, QGH67763, QOL 125BD 4/0 lug kit. This neutral will go here according to the instructions. And you can see it right here in figure 3. Shows it going to M. Remove one of those 2 screws and put K there. N is the other screw that takes its place on the bar. Here's the screw that go in the to hold it in place. I remove those 3 screws. And we're now ready to cut our neutral to length and cut to fit. And I'm gonna add some more no locks. I done put a little bit in the back side. Now I'll take and mark this hot. Cut it. There's our hot. Now we got a red phase. Remove the smaller lug. So I pulled this breaker out of the way so that I can get up here and mark this thing more accurately. And there you have your finished product, the Square D lug kit 4/0, upsizing it for this 125 amp panel because it is a long way down to the panel room. Let's look and see. It is several hundred feet. Panels all the way at the other end in that corner room. All right, so I'll finish hooking up these breakers and head on to the next panel and do the same thing over and over and over on this end of the building.